friends, welcome to my online classes. Today we are going to see the practice set 1.1 from Basic Concepts in Geometry Mathematics Part 2. So let us start the practice set. The first example given in this practice set is find the distance with the help of the number line given below. Means we have to observe this number line, and from this number line we want to find the distance between the given points. For example, we want to find the distance between points B and E. So let us start. The formula for distance between any two points is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinates that we have already studied, and from this formula we will find the distance of BE. आपल्याला काय करायचंय, या दोन पॉइंट मधलं डिस्टन्स काढायचं आहे. त्याच्यासाठी आपण फॉर्म्युला वापरणार आहे ग्रेटर कोऑर्डिनेट मायनस स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट. तर आपल्याला पहिल्यांदा आपला जो फॉर्म्युला आहे तो आपण इथे लिहून घेऊ. म्हणजे डिस्टन्स ऑफ BE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. आणि मग याच्यात आपण जर व्हॅल्यू टाकल्या तर आपल्याला समजेल इथं the coordinate of point B is 2 and the coordinate of point E is 5. Now this point E is on the right hand side and therefore its coordinate is greater and the coordinate of B is smaller. So greater coordinate 5 minus the smaller coordinate is 2 and therefore distance between BE is equal to 3. Now let us find the next distance, that is distance of JA. Distance of JA, that is equal to, here the coordinate of point J is minus 2 and the coordinate of point A is 1, and therefore the greater coordinate is 1 and the smaller coordinate is minus 2. So 1 minus negative 2, and that is equal to 1 minus of minus is plus 2. 1 plus 2 means it is equal to 3. So this is distance of JA. Now let us find distance of PC, that is equal to PC. This is point P and this is point C. C is on the right hand side, so it has a greater coordinate. Distance of PC is equal to greater coordinate 3 minus smaller coordinate is minus 4. So 3 minus of minus 4, that is equal to 3 plus 4, means that is equal to 7. So distance of PC is equal to 7. Then fourth example, distance of JH. Distance of JH. Again, where is point J? This is point J and this is point H. So H is on the right hand side and J is on the left hand side. So H is greater coordinate. Greater coordinate is minus 1 and smaller coordinate is minus 2. So 1 minus negative 2. So that is equal to minus 1 plus 2 and that is equal to 1, and therefore distance of JH is equal to 1. Then next, distance of KO. Distance of KO means this is point K and this is point O. O is on the right hand side and K is on the left hand side. So distance of KO, that is equal to 0 minus of minus 3, means it is equal to 0 plus 3, that is equal to 3, and therefore distance of KO is equal to 3. Then distance of OE. This is point O and this is point E. E is on the right hand side and O is on the left hand side. So distance of OE is equal to, distance of OE is equal to greater coordinate 5 minus smaller coordinate is 0. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. So this is distance of OE. Now distance of PJ. This is point P and this is point J. J is on the right hand side and P is on the left hand side, and therefore distance of PJ is equal to distance of PJ is equal to greater coordinate minus 2 minus of minus 4, that is a smaller coordinate, and therefore it is equal to minus 2 plus 4 means it is equal to 2. So distance of PJ is equal to 2. And last example is distance of QB. This is point Q and this is point B. Distance of QB, distance of QB is equal to greater coordinate 2 minus smaller coordinate is negative 5. So that is equal to 2 minus of minus is plus 5, that is equal to 7. So distance between these 2 points is 7 units. So this is how we can find the distance between any 2 points. Now let us see the next example. Example number 2. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, then find distance of AB. Here the condition given is that the coordinate of point A is x and the coordinate of point B is y, and we have to find the distance of AB, that is to find. So the formula each time will be distance of AB is equal to distance of AB is equal to, again the formula is same, it is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, and each time we have to find which is a greater coordinate and which is the smaller coordinate. So if we consider the first example, then in this example the greater coordinate is 7 and the smaller coordinate is 1. So greater coordinate is y minus smaller coordinate is x. So this is equal to 7 minus 1 means it is equal to 6. Now in the second example, distance of AB is equal to, again, greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is equal to, here the greater coordinate is x and the smaller coordinate is y. So this is equal to x minus y means 6 minus of minus 2, that is equal to 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then in the third example, again distance of AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Greater coordinate is y and smaller coordinate is x. So y minus x, value of y is 7 minus negative 3, that is equal to 7 minus of minus is plus 3. 7 plus 3 means it is equal to 10. Then distance of AB is equal to, in the fourth example, the greater coordinate is minus 4 and minus 5 are the given coordinates. Now here if we observe these points on the number line and if we consider this as 0, and if we start going from origin to the left hand side, then this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and this is minus 5. The point on the right hand side is greater and the point on the left hand side is smaller. So here we can clearly understand that minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5, and therefore distance of AB is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, and that is equal to x minus y. X minus y means minus 4 minus of minus 5, that is equal to minus 4 plus 5 means it is equal to 1. In each case, we observe that the distance between any two points is always positive. Though both the coordinates are negative, then also the distance between the points is always positive. तर बाकीचे दोन एक्झाम्पल जे आहेत ते सुद्धा आपल्याला याच प्रकारे सोडवता येतील. तर हा जर व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.